Hello and welcome to this RAMP Interactive Admins and Assigners Creation Tutorial. To create and manage admins and assigners underneath of the assigning platform, go to the Admins and Assigners tab on the left-hand side. Here you will be able to see any existing admins and assigner, and you can edit them using the Edit button on the right-hand side. To create a new admin or assigner, you can click the Add button, select the type of administrator, and enter the administrator details, such as a login, password, first name, last name, email, and phone number. There's also control to mark the individual as active or inactive if they are no longer assigning for you. The options to create an administrator are a main administrator, which has full access to the system with the exception of creating and editing administrators. Assigner, which has access to assign any games inside of the platform. Zone administrator, which gives somebody access to a specific zone underneath of the platform to manage officials, games, and information under that zone. And finally, custom administrator, which is the most common. Custom administrators can be given access to multiple zones inside of the platform, specific divisions inside of the platform, as well as specific positions to assign. In addition to those basic controls, you can control the level of access they have with the privileges area. If you mark them as an administrator, they'll have more access to view officials and reports inside of the platform. You can also mark off if they can approve new officials, edit official privileges, edit and delete games, and if they can access the website tie-in to pull game data down from a RAMP League or association website. If you mark them off as an assigner, they won't have access to change and update officials, but you can choose if they have the ability to edit or delete games. Assigner access is quite limited to assigning games and some basic reporting. The last option inside of here is view access. This gives access to view but not assign any of the areas that you have selected inside of this custom administrator. View access does not allow you to assign or change any details of games. Once you've completed creating your new assigner, simply hit the OK button to finalize this submission. If you have any questions about editing and updating assigners, feel free to reach out to support@rampinteractive.com or 866-607-7267. If you need your administration access changed, reach out to the head administrator of your assigning platform to update your access. Thank you for watching this RAMP Interactive tutorial.